Hey man, welcome back to Man Time. Today's episode, you ever wake up in the morning and go, what the heck should I do today? I don't have that problem. When you've got land and you're doing a building project, there's a list 10 miles long. And the first thing on the list today is my trailer. Every time I go to try to drive it, I get up, I do a light check, and there's always one light that doesn't seem to be working. Sometimes I can like bang on it and it'll start working. Other times it just won't work. So I got a new set of lights. Let's see if we can get these put on today. Welcome to Man Time. Alright, well, before we get into it here, I guess we should see what we've got in the kit. And basically just went on Amazon, looked up the cheapest kit I could find that also looked like it had all the hardware included. And supposedly these are submersible. Yeah, submersible. So they'd be like a marine kit, basically. So that's what we're hoping for, is they're going to be like a marine grade, kit. So anyways, it looks like it has basically everything I need. The style of connector I was looking for was that one. That's what I've got on the truck. But it's the opposite of that, I think. What the hell? Is there two? Yeah, there's two. There's two different ones. Yeah, two different styles there. So it goes from, heck, I don't know. Let's get this open and see what's going on, huh? So here's the important bits. Okay, so here's what's going on here. Here's the old lights. They are going to be your typical junky light that fails. So here's the new one, and I'm thinking it's got the brown and yellow over here. It's got a side marker, and then the illumination for the license plate. So this looks like it's left, and then the one over there is right, and then I've got the wire spooled out here. It looks like there is going to be enough wire. This is a 20-foot trailer, so they do give you enough, it looks like, for the 20-footer. We'll find out, but the ends on them are different, right? So here's the one that I'm working with currently. And then that's the new one. But it looks like the other set that they give you here, that one is going to be actually to put onto your truck. Now I've already got one on the truck, and it's got like this, special little mounting bracket thing here from the factory. So I don't think I want to change that out. So I may end up putting this old end on there. Alright, well, let's start hooking it up. Basically just cutting out all the old wire and seeing where we want to go. Alright, well, I cut the wire going up to this old one. I've got the wires coming through right here. I've got a ground here. It looks like the new kit is wanting that ground up top. But, yeah, this is just a nightmare of a wiring scenario. You've got one, like, it looks like a burn-through hole coming through. Oh, and then we've got, looks like we've got trailer brakes. We're pretty close here. Let me see if I can just jam this thing. Yeah, it looks like that side of the trailer brakes aren't even hooked up. Yeah, this is not fun. There we go. Okay. Well, part one done successfully. Man, I've been wanting to do this for a while. Every time I have to change out one of these, lights, they keep failing. Every time I try to change these lights out when they fail, I to deal with these ridiculous square nuts and a speed wrench to try to get them off of here. It's just a super pain. This one hasn't been changed out for a while. I think I've been driving with it just barely working. The design of these just standard trailer lights is not good. The way that the wire connects to the bulb terminal, it's not a good system. Man, it's going to be nice having these pieces of crap off of here. Alright, let's see. See, now these have this deal. Definitely don't like that, because now they're not going to fit. There's no way to hang these with this system here. Here's the hardware that comes in the kit, and I'm just trying to figure out like how. I guess that just slips in there. Oh, it's so close. So close. Alright, I guess I'll use a Dremel bit and just wallow that out a little bit. Alright, 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch carbide burr set and die grinder. I like to keep all my die grinding stuff in one spot, you know? Another thing I need to do here is get these fenders welded up. There's cracks, you know, all along these fenders, and then some of the spots where they're supposed to be welded, it's just it's not exactly what you would want, right? So let's clean these up. Not lit up. Are you lit up? It is lit up. It's just hard to see, I guess, on that one. Yeah, that's lit up. Try blinkers. Right blinker, that one's working. Left blinker, right one's working. And left blinker. Perfect. Alright, man. Well, there you have it. Trailer lights. Full trailer light and wiring. Not that difficult. Basically just matched up all the different wire colors. You got green, yellow, brown, and white was our ground. I welded on that ground post. That gives me a ground post for other stuff if I need them there on the trailer. In case I want to do a winch or something. I've got ground there now. And then fixed up this fixed up this fender, welded that back up. But that's going to do it for today on Man Time. Get out there, have you some man time too.